That's a good one. Let him go down there.
I'm going down there by the
That might be too big, actually.
try.
Nah, he didn't want nothing to do with that. Yeah, just kind of like fight it real slow. Let it swim around, see if he goes for it. Yeah, he's looking. He's looking.
It's right above him. Down and then come over.
All right, now reel him back in real slow past him. Oh, he's looking. He's all over it.
Oh!
Slow down, slow down. Slow down, Liam. Stop him right there.
Stop him.
That's 100% a muskie. Stop. Stop him right there.
Stop him. Don't want to move.
Stop, stop, stop. Lay throw out there and get a little. Or no, never mind. Just watch. Oh, this is unreal.
You can't let him swim away. You have to bring him back. Fishy, fishy. Oh, you want me fishy, fishy.
Oh my God.
The gumsky went away. Where's that big? The gumsky. Oh, where's that big puffer? The gumsky's right there.
All right, let me see yours, Lay. I want to get a littler one on it.
He's trying to get mine.
And let's see if we can get a little fish on yours. Liam, why don't we try a littler one? Because even if he bit that one, we would have to. He would never be able to eat it all. So let's get that one out of here. Layla, I'm gonna hook you up.
But this one's huge.
Yeah, that's a perfect size bluegill right there.
This is like nothing. No, it's heavy. Let it go. Let me do. This is like nothing.
Lay. Here's yours. Watch. Your bobber's right out
Look
there.
at this fish.
That's a tank. Take a picture, babe.
This thing's huge. Look at this.
Stop. Stop, Lay. Stop.
I'm
Just wait right there.
Show me how to get it.
Not this one. Let me try to get you a fish so we can get this muskie to bite it.